Okay, here we have a 2013-2014 Ariens Ax series engine on an Ariens Snowblower. A couple control changes for this year. They added a throttle control, which may be a little bit confusing if you're not used to it. Starting procedure goes as follows. Always make sure you put your safety key in first. That will click right in. Next step, you want to turn the fuel valve to the on position. Okay. Your next step is you want to turn the rocker switch to the run position. On a cold start, we're going to reach down to the bottom left and we're going to press that primer bulb about 2 to 3 times. Up on the controls, that bottom gray lever is your throttle control. The top red lever is the choke control. To start on a cold start, you're going to rotate both of those clockwise as far as they will go. At that point there, you can either pull the rope or you can plug in the electric starter module and crank the engine over. Once the engine starts, what we're going to do is turn that choke all the way off, which is all the way counterclockwise, and back on one click. Let it warm up for a few minutes and then shut the choke all the way off. And that's it.